What's the deal with the parrot?
That's an eagle.
Hmm?
It's a bald eagle. It's the symbol of America. Are you telling me you don't recognize what kind of bird that is?
Okay, you obviously have not read my dossier. I have bird blindness.
Bird blindness?
I can't tell the difference between one type of bird and another.
Okay, but a duck and an eagle are totally different sizes.
Yeah, well, they look the same size to me, man.
Wow.
Bird blindness. It's my sole weakness.
Titties! Encino Man! Get in here! I can't tell how big this thing is.
Fucking bird blindness.
Hang in there, Titties. You're gonna be okay.
Oh, fucking duck attacked me.